Welcome to this full guide on how to visualize large datasets in Looker Studio in 2026. When you're working with thousands or even millions of rows of data, reports can feel slow, messy, and honestly, overwhelming. But with the right setup, Looker Studio can handle large datasets smoothly. First, start with clean and optimized data. If possible, use aggregated data from Google Sheets, BigQuery, or a prepared data source instead of raw level data. This alone improves performance a lot. Now, open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your data source and check field types carefully. Make sure dates, numbers, and dimensions are correctly formatted before building charts. This saves time later. Next, avoid adding too many charts at once. Start with high-level visuals like scorecards and line charts. Use total users, revenue, sessions, or conversions to get a quick overview of your dataset. After that, focus on trends instead of raw numbers. Add line charts with date as the dimension and limit the time range. Large datasets become easier to understand when shown over time, so keep it simple. For deeper analysis, use tables wisely. Limit the number of rows and metrics. Apply sorting and top filters to show only the most important data, like top 10 pages or top campaigns. Use filters and controls instead of multiple charts. Date range controls, drop-down filters, and search filters let users explore large data sets without loading everything at once. If your data is very large, use data blending carefully or avoid it when possible. Blended data can slow reports if not optimized. You can also use calculated fields to summarize data instead of visualizing every detail. This helps keep dashboards fast and clean. Finally, test performance. Switch to view mode and interact with filters to ensure everything loads smoothly. Then share the report or schedule automated updates. And that's it. Clear, fast, and meaningful visualization of large datasets using Looker Studio. If this helped, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more Looker Studio and data visualization guides.